feet.
Tango correction, cleared left down on runway 09, descent your discretion.
And Tower Lima Charlie Papa just coming up to Stuart 2000.
Lima Charlie Papa, cleared left down on runway 09, descent your discretion.
Lima Charlie Papa.
Bravo Alpha Yankee, radar services terminated, cleared en route.
Bravo Alpha Yankee, thanks.
Tango correction, you can plan long landing for Sierra if you'd like. Wind is 0706, you are clear to land, runway 09.
Clear to land, Tango Echo X-ray.
Final runway 09.
And Tower Lima Charlie Papa is downwind Thor 09.
Lima Charlie Pop, number 1.
Lima Charlie Papa.
Tango correction, you can exit Sierra, taxi into the club, stay on this frequency, and I will close your flight plan.
Roger, exiting Sierra, Tango Echo X-ray.
Lima Charlie Papa, the wind 0706, clear to land, runway 09.
Lima Charlie Papa.